Pornography trains you to be a bad lover. And the way that it trains you to be a bad lover, you know how it trains you to be a bad lover is because what you're seeing in a lot of porn movies, that's not what women want. And so, you're conditioning your brain and your body. Women want you to be emotionally available and look them right in the eye. And the truth is porn trains you to do the exact opposite. So porn basically trains you, and it puts in your mind this idea of what women want. Women want a man that can look them right in the eyes and be emotionally available. And the truth is porn with core shame, you're going to have a hard time being there, being fully present when you're with your girl. It does the exact opposite of being a good lover.